Hello dear friends, this is Joey. Today we are going to introduce one new style machine which is with 8 functions and brand new style which is very popular in the market. So let's check in the machine interface here. So the first function would be this emitter, which is using the plasma handle. Okay, we're using this plasma pen to do the inner treatment. And we will have 2 tips for treatment 2. Big one is for face and the small one is for small areas around eyes, nose. Okay, we can also control the handle by the buttons here. And we can also control it through the screen. Adjust the mode and intensity. You can see I'm controlling by handle here. Okay, the second function would be this vacuum pen. We can see inside the interface, we can choose different modes and the suction and release time. So the vacuum pen, we will have 3 tips for you to choose. It has a different size. Big one for the body massage, and the medium one is for face massage, and the small one we can do it on the around eyes, do the face lifting. Okay, we choose the parameters and we start using it. Okay, next function will be this Hydrodermabrasion handle. When we use this handle, we need to choose solution bottles A, B, C, D, and then click start. Okay, these buttons is to control the water flow, and we can also adjust the vacuum pressure here. We can choose it accordingly. And this is the diamond dermabrasion handle, which is using for the rough skin, and this one is for the soft skin. Same, we need to choose solution bottle. We can put different solutions into different bottles and choose to use. And please start. Okay, the fourth function will be this aspiration handle, which is for facial deep cleansing. And at the beginning, we need to adjust the intensity of the handle too. And then we can also control the handle right here. Okay. Okay, this is the handle. And before using, we need to install this. And we also need to use with the cleansing gel. Next function will be this micro needle, RFI micro needle. We can see this handle, and we will equip with different tips, different needles from small to big, and we have different needles. We can use on the different treatment parts. Okay, when we are using same, we need to adjust the parameters, intensity, and start. Okay, when we use this handle, we will need to use with the foot pedal. Press down the foot pedal. And next function will be this CPT handle, which is working by the radio frequency. Okay, this is the handle, and we will also have 3 tips: large, medium, and small. Large for body and medium for face. Small is for for small part like around eyes, nose. When we use it, we need to adjust the mode and the time and the intensity of the energy. Okay, we need to start from lower energy and start. And you will feel the RF energy from the handle. Okay, next function will be this 3-polar RF. And this one, we need to adjust the intensity here. We can adjust the intensity according to the customer's needs and start. The last function will be this cooling head, which is to calm down the skin after the treatment. You can see the hand is working here. Now it's working very fast and cooling down very soon.